being in India and then a life building in Bahrain, how has that been for you?
It's very nice. It's sometimes hectic, but it's a personal choice. So I am here, this is my workplace, and this is what I do. And my family lives there. And we travel whenever we can.
I remember you telling us that you are open to working here because financially you are building space for you to settle in Bahrain. How is that going?
See, honestly speaking, that is, common sense that if one wants to build a life anywhere, they would require a certain amount of, financial support. So that was actually, it was said in good humor, but people took it otherwise. But
Okay.
nonetheless, so for me, essentially, this is what I do, and this is what I do best so far. So I have to be more focused here and less there.
We last saw you in Oraria. What's next?
See, Udaria was actually out and out, brotherly gesture from me and Ravi to each other. Because Ravi said, I have this quick cameo, and I've never done cameo in my career.
Yeah.
He's like, but please, I want you to do it. The role is very you. So I went, and it was fabulous experience. I think Ravi and Sargun are fabulous producers. Fantastic treatment.
Yeah.
They're very good.
Even you have spent close to 16 years in the industry. In 2008, you made your debut, and it's been many years. You have been at the top of your game. You have done many popular shows. How do you see your growth as an actor in all these years?
पहले तो मुझे एहसास नहीं हुआ कि इतना टाइम हो गया है. I thought it was just like day before yesterday. You see. So God has been really kind, and we should, whatever we achieve in life or whatever we have in life, rather than complaining for something that we don't have, we should be grateful for it. Because like I strongly believe, I've recently said also that your lifestyle is somebody else's dream. So whatever God blesses you with, just be content and be grateful for it. So being grateful is like my in and out, like day in and out lifestyle.
And with this gap, you setting a life there. Do you miss being on screen?
See, the thing is that recent times there were things which didn't work out due to certain reasons, and there's a lot of shift in the industry also,
Yeah.
between TV and OTT and all of those happening together. Plus, there were a lot of things happening, as you know, in the industry. So, yeah, of course. But honestly speaking, any of my shows have had a minimum gap of 6 months, because I always take a suitable gap from one show to the other.
So right now on TV, are you looking to play lead roles, or are you finding any difficulty in getting lead roles, or are you okay playing
No,
character roles?
God has still been very kind to me. I'm still being offered lead roles. अभी मतलब वक्त हुआ है पर इतना ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ है. And I'm being offered lead roles only by the mercy of God. And yeah, I mean there are a lot of negotiations. There are a lot of mocks happening. So I am back for all my professional commitments now.
We have seen actors in the industry complaining about payment issues. बहुत सारे production houses से payment clear नहीं होता है. Have you, like you being a part of the industry for so long, have you ever faced such an issue?
Not that I remember clearly, but थोड़ा बहुत तो it's more of a association. So कई बार क्या होता है कि प्रोड्यूसर एंड पे थोड़ा कुछ एडजस्ट करना होता है, कई बार एक्टर्स एंड पे कुछ एडजस्ट करना होता है. सो आई थिंक वो एमिकेबली और म्यूचुअली चले तो ज़्यादा बेटर होता है. दैट यू पुट योर situation in front of them, and they best want to decide and understand between both of you.
So we grow old with years and mainly experience. What has been the most learning experience for you in past couple of years?
A quote that I follow very closely by my heart: never stop learning. Because every achievement that you achieve, you must have done it for the first time. So, if you stop learning, you'll kill yourself. Keep doing it. Keep working on it.
Vivian, how does it feel being a father? What are the changes that you have noticed in yourself?
Changes that I've noticed in myself, I think I have become more patient. I have earlier there were some negative traits in me as a human being. I got rid of them because after that, the day you see your baby in your hand, I think the whole system changes. It's like an update of software. So yeah,
Who does she more resemble, you or Nora?
me. Everybody says, like even my mother-in-law, she said,
And it's a very unique name, Layan.
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 Layan Vivian Descent,
Oh, what does it mean?
soft at heart.
And how do you spend time, like with you being away for so long from her? How are you staying connected?
See, sometimes they travel, sometimes I travel. So, I mean, it's balanced, God willingly.
Okay, talking about work, when are you like willing to venture more into TV or OTT?
I'm already doing so. I have come back to, I had a lot of meetings that were pending to catch up on those meetings and a few mock shoots which are going on currently. So I've come back for that.
Vivian, message for fans on your birthday now that you are coming back on screen again.
Guys, I just love you all and thank you so much for, all the love and support in these, lovely years. And thank you so much, lots of love and thank you.